5 seconds. In this essay of technology, we are going to discuss what technology is, what are its uses, and also what technology can do First of all, technology refers to the use of technical and scientific knowledge to create, monitor, and design machinery. Also, technology helps in making other goods that aid mankind. Para change. Experts are debating on this topic for years. Also, the technology covered a long way to make human life easier, but the negative aspect of it cannot be ignored. Over the years, technological advancement has caused a severe rise in population. Also, pollution has become a major cause of many health issues. Beside, it has cut off people from society rather than connecting them. Above all, it has taken away many jobs from the workers class. Para change. Experts are debating on this topic for years. Also, the technology covered a long way to make human life easier, but the negative aspects of it cannot be ignored. Over the years, technological advancement has caused a severe rise in population. Also, pollution has become a major cause of many health issues. Besides, it has cut off people from society rather than connecting them. Above all, it has taken away many jobs from the workers class. Para change, as they are completely different fields but they are interdependent on each other. Also, it is due to science contribution we can create new innovation and build new technological tools. Apart from that, the research conducted in laboratories contributes a lot to the development of technologies. On the other hand, technology extends the agenda of science. Regularly evolving technology has become an important part of our lives. Also, newer technologies are taking the market by storm and the people are getting used to them in no time. Above all, technological advancement has led to the growth and development of nations. Para change. Although technology is a good thing, everything has two sides. Technology also has two sides, one is good and the other is bad. Here are some negative aspects of technology that we are going to discuss. Para change. With new technology, the industrialization increasing which give birth to many pollutions like air, water, soil, and noise. Also, they cause many health related issues in animals, birds, and human beings. Para change. New technology requires new resources for which the balance is disturbed. Eventually, this will lead to over exploitation of natural resources which ultimately disturbs the balance of nature. Para change. A single machine can replace many workers. Also, machine can do work at a constant pace for several hours or days without stopping. Due to this, many workers lost their job, which ultimately increased unemployment. Stop. Para change. Generally, we judge technology on the same scale, but in reality, technology is divided into two various types. This includes information technology, industrial technology, architectural technology, creative technology, and many more. Let's discuss these technologies in brief. Para change. This technology organizes engineering and manufacturing technology for the manufacturing of machines. Also, this makes the production process easier and convenient. Para change. This process includes arts, advertising, and product design which are made with the help of software. Also, it comprises of 3D printers, virtual reality, computer graphics, and other wearable technology. Stop. Parachange. This technology involves the uses of telecommunication and computer to send, receive and store information. Stop. Internet is the best example of information technology. Stop. Parachange. Today, everything we use in our daily life is a gift of technology and without which we cannot imagine our lives. Stop. Also, we cannot refuse the facts that it has caused severe damage to our surroundings. Stop. Parachange. In this essay on computer, we are going to discuss some useful things about computers. Stop. The modern day computer has become an important part of our daily life. Stop. Also, their usage has increased much fold during the last decade. Stop. Nowadays, they use the computer in every office, whether private or government. Stop. Mankind is using computers for over many decades now. Stop. Also, they are used in many fields like agriculture, designing, machinery making, defense and many more. Stop. Above all, they have revolutionized the world. Stop. Parachange. It is very difficult to find the exact origin of computers. Stop. But according to some experts, computer exist at the time of World War II. Stop. Also, at that time they were used for keeping data. Stop. But, it was for only government use and not for public use. Stop. Above all, in the beginning, the computer was a very large and heavy machine. Stop. Parachange. The computer runs on a three-step cycle, namely input, process, and output. Stop. Also, the computer follows this cycle in every process it was asked to do. Stop. In simple words, the process can be explained in this way. Stop. The data which we feed into the computer is input, the work CPU do is process and the result which the computer give is output. Stop. Parachange. The simple computer basically consists of CPU, monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Stop. Also, there are hundreds of other computer parts that can be attached to it. Stop. These other parts include a printer, laser pen, scanner, etc. Stop. As the uses of computer increased, it became a necessity for almost every field to use computers for their operations. Stop. Also, they have made working and sorting things easier. Stop. Below we are mentioning some of the important fields that use a computer in their daily operation. Stop. Parachange. They use computers to diagnose diseases, run tests, and for finding the cure for deadly diseases. Stop. Also, they are able to find a cure for many diseases because of computers. Stop. Whether it's scientific research, space research, of any social research, computers help in all of them. Stop. Also, due to them, we are able to keep a check on the environment, space, and society. Stop. Space research helped us to explore the galaxies. Stop. While scientific research has helped us to locate resources and various other useful resources for the earth. Stop. Parachange. For any country, his defense is most important for the safety and security of its people. Stop. Also, computer in this field helps the country's security agencies to detect a threat which can be harmful in the future. Stop. Above all, the defense industry use them to keep surveillance on our enemy. Stop.